So, okay, we are going to start with question number 10. Okay. Okay. Three cars were sold through an agent for rupees 2,40,000, 2,22,000, and 2,25,000 respectively. The rate of commission were charged 17.5% on the first, 12.5% on the second. If the agent overall received rupees 14% commission on the total sales, find the rate of commission paid on the third car. Okay. So in this question, I'll represent the question in the diagrammatic form. We have three car. This is car one, this is car two, and this is car three. First car price is 2,40,000. Second car is 2,20,000, and third car is 2,25,000. Commission on the first car is 17.5%. Commission on the second car is 12.5%, and overall commission is given as 14%. Okay, we want to calculate the commission on the third car, and I'll assume that the rate of commission on the third car be R%, and that R we have to calculate. Okay, so what I will do, first initially I will calculate one by one the commission on the first car, the commission on the second car, and the commission on the third car. Okay, the first step is to get the commission on each car. So let's start. First car. Here I'm writing for the first car. Here I will write the sales, yeah, selling price of the first car, which is 2,40,000. Then we'll write rate of commission on the first car, which is 17.5%. I will get the commission on the first car, which is 17.5% of 2,40,000. Two zeros will get cancelled. It is 17.5 multiplied by 2,400. So we'll multiply these two figures. So it will be 42,000. Similarly, we'll do for the second car. So here I'm writing for second car. Okay. So let's do the same thing again. The selling price of the second car, it is given as 2,22,000. Okay. Then we'll calculate the commission. सबसे पहले we'll write rate of commission कितना है, which is 12.5%. Then I will write the commission on second car. The commission on the second car is nothing but 12.5% of 2,22,000. Two zeros will get cancelled. 12.5 into 2,220. So now 12.5 multiplied by 2,220. So it will come around 27,750. This is the commission on the second car. Similarly, we'll do for the third car. So here I'm writing for third car. selling price, I'll take it as 2,25,000. Okay, 2,25,000. Then let the rate of commission, that is equal to, I will take it as R percent. I will calculate the commission, that is nothing but R percent of 2,25,000. Two zeros will get cancelled. It will be 2250 R. Okay. So total commission will calculate on the three car. Total commission is equal to 42,000 plus 27,750, 2250 R. Okay. So here I will add 42,000 plus 27,750. So it will be 69,750 plus 2250 R. So this is what we have the total commission. Okay. Now I will get the last rate of commission, which is 14%. And this is the total commission. So I will add these three prices, these three selling prices of the car, and I will calculate the 14% of it, and it will give you the total commission. So I will write the total selling price of all the three cars. Total selling price of all three cars. So all three cars, the first 2,40,000, 2,22,000, 2,40,000 plus 2,22,000 plus 2,25,000. So it will be 6,87,000. On that, the rate of commission is 14%. So here, the rate of commission is 14%. Now I will calculate the total commission. So which is nothing but 14% of 6,87,000. These two zeros will get cancelled. So it will give you 319 2,25,000. So 14 into 687. So it will be 961, not 319, 961,880. That is 96,180. Okay. So this is my total commission. But total commission already we know. Here I ticked, double ticked. So now I'll equate these two. So 69750 plus 2250 R is equal to 96180. Okay. So 2250 R is equal to 96180 minus 69750. So 2250 R is equal to 26430. Okay. So R will be equal to 26430, 2250. So we'll do cancellation. So R will be equal to 11.746. So precise 75. So this is what we have the rate of commission on the third car. So this is question number 10. Now let's do question number 11. Question number 11 is important because the rest of the question after this will have the similar type. Okay, so let's read it. Swatantra distributor allows 15% discount on the list price of a washing machine, and further 5% discount is given for the cash payment. Find the list price of the washing machine if it was sold for the net amount of rupees 38356.25. So here first I will teach you a few concepts. The first one is the list price. List price. It is also called as mark price. Mark price is nothing but the display price. Whenever you are purchasing anything, say TV, so it is a display price. The rupees is given. So that is called as mark price, actual price. But every time the shopkeeper gives you the discount, generally they gives us the discount. So that is called as trade discount. The first discount is called as trade discount. And it is in percentage. Whatever we have the amount, it will be that percent. Suppose rate of trade discount here I am taking as R%. So list price is given. I will calculate the R%. Then I will subtract, because it is discount. Definitely the value will get subtracted. So mark price minus mark price means list price minus the discount, the trade discount. After subtracting this, you will get the value, and that is called as invoice price. The first price comes as invoice price. Okay, so invoice price is mark price minus trade discount. Even you can write as list price minus trade discount, is one of the same thing. Then the second one more discount is there that is called as cash discount. Means the shopkeeper is giving further discount of say R% again, R1, R2, it will be different values. So suppose I'm taking as capital R%, which is a further discount, which is called as cash discount. Means you are getting some more discount on it. So that discount will always calculated on the invoice price. Means the cash discount will calculate, that is R% of not the list price but the invoice price. Okay, so you are getting again discount. So again from the invoice price you have to discount, that is cash discount, and the amount that you are getting is called as net price. So this is my final price that I'm going to pay. So my net price is nothing but invoice price minus cash discount. So there are few terms that you have to learn. What is net price? What is cash discount? What is invoice price? Then the list price is already given in the question. Sometimes if it is not given in the question, then the net price will be given. So vice versa, you have to calculate, assume. So once you see this question, here the net price is given, means final amount is given. We have to find the list price of the washing machine. So for that question, we'll start, let the list price, because this is the fundamental. You should know, or if it is not given, you have to assume. Let the list price of washing machine be X. So let the list price of the washing machine be X. Okay, so now we are going for discount. Okay, so the first discount is the trade discount. Trade discount is how much? 5%. So here I'm writing rate of trade discount. Now I will calculate how much is the trade discount. it is 5% of that X. So cancellation, it will be X by 20. Okay, then I will get the invoice price, which is list price minus that discount. So list price is my X, trade discount is X by 20. 19X by 20 is the invoice price. Again, okay, initially, sorry, it was 15%. It is 15%. So 5 threes and 5 twenties means it will be X minus 3X by 20. So it will be 23X by 20. 20X minus 3X. It will be 17X. Okay, that was 15%. Oh, sorry. Further 5% is the cash discount. So here, rate of cash discount. Okay, now we are calculating cash discount. So we are getting 5% of what? We are getting 5% of cash discount. So, so it is 17X by 400. This is the discount. So now I will write the net price. So net price is my invoice price minus cash discount. Okay. So now let's do the LCM. So denominator will have to make it same. Okay. So it will be 20, 340X upon 400. So that minus 17. 323X upon 4. So this is my the net price. Net price is my 323. 4. Okay. But net price is given in the question 38356.25. 38356 upon 400. Okay. So now we'll do cross multiplication. So 38356.25 multiply by 400 upon 323. So after calculation, you will get 47,500. So this is what we have the list price. So list price of the washing machine, you have to write the answer at the end. List price of the washing machine. $47,500. Okay. So then we have the next question. 12th. A bookseller received rupees 1530 as 15% commission on the list price. Find the list price of the book. So this is given as commission. Okay. So let's start. Let the list price of the book of the book rupees X, that we have to calculate. Rate of commission, it is given as 15%. So I will get the commission, which is 15% of X, which is 5 3s and 5 20s are, that is 3x by 20. This is given as commission, but commission is given as 1530. So X is equal to into 20 by 3. So it will be 1530 into. So you will get the value as 10,200. So the answer, the list price of the book is 10,200. Okay, cleared? Okay.